folks, today I want to talk to you about apple and how to use it to boost your health and your hair growth. Now, apple is powerful because it's a highly dense, nutrient-rich fruit. It's available most of the year, so you can have it whenever you want. And if you replace your meals with an apple, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, having as much as you want, you are going to see a great improvement in health. You're going to see weight drop, and your skin is going to look amazing, and your hair is going to grow as well. And the reason why this works is because apples are high in pectin fiber, soluble fiber. This allows easy digestion and also great for the stomach health. When you're digesting food properly, when you're absorbing food properly, your body is going to be healthier, just like that. Also, apple has potassium, which is great for muscle and the heart as well. So these points make apple very good for you to use when you're trying to lose weight, when you're trying to detox. So for a detox apple plan, all you have to do basically is stop eating all the meat, dairy products, and all the processed foods for a few days. Replace that with salads and fruit. And then when you've done that for a week, you can move on to apples, breakfast, lunch, and dinner for a week straight. And you're going to see amazing things. You're going to detox. You're going to feel amazing. You might feel some flu-like symptoms and headaches as the body detoxes, because the body is trying to remove all the waste out and fill it with goodness. So I encourage you to give the apple detox plan a try. 7 days is actually a very good time, but the longer you can do it, the better. You're going to feel great. Your stomach is going to be much happier. You're going to digest properly. You're going to eliminate properly. And you'll be surprised what happens to your health, your hair, and your beauty. I hope this helped you.